I made fish risotto and it's turned out so amazing. I want to share the recipe with you. So we are making our pomfret richard or risotto. This is a Goan style fish fry. So for that I've taken 3 small size pomfrets and I've cut them into frying slits, and this makes the frying easier and the masalas to enter very well into it. So I have even made a pocket over here so that all the masalas are filled inside and fried really well and juicy. So I'll just season it with some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and I'll keep it for some time to let the seasoning absorb till I make my masala. I love this dish so much that I want you all also to try it. So I am showing you exactly how to make it. Follow it step by step and you'll love it. Now let's look at the dry masalas which are used for grinding. So we have our jar ready over here. We have around 8 inches of ginger. So this is the basic and important ingredient. You can add more ginger if you want or less if you want. We have around 20 pods of garlic, and for richard the red chilies are really important. So we have some cumin, some cloves, around 5 cloves. We have a cinnamon stick. So we'll put all the red chilies, around 14 to 15 red chilies and some peppercorns right into our jar, and we'll make it ready for the grinding. So along with this goes some turmeric powder, that is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, and to this I'll put an extract of tamarind pulp. So tamarind is also very essential. If you don't have this ready-made paste, you can make a paste. And now the best ingredient that is used always is a spoonful of vinegar. So here I have used apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar which you have at home. Now let's grind it with a teaspoon of salt. So you can check the salt and a little bit of water. So add little bit of water and keep grinding it till it turns into a smooth paste. So look, we have ground it into a really smooth paste. This is how the paste should look, and this is the final look. And now what we'll do is we have taken a pan on the stove, and on that we have added some oil. So in this oil we'll add as much required. For right now I have taken only this much of the richard paste, and I'll be frying it in the oil till it bubbles up. So let the paste bubble up a little in the oil. So the rest of the paste I've reserved for next time. So I am adding some molasses or jaggery or good into it. Yes, we have to add some molasses too into it. If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately. Now we are going on stirring it till all the oil comes up, So let it bubble up and let the oil come out and let it look really red in color. So yes, it looks ready now. So what we'll do is we'll just remove it off our stove. And now here the fish is all marinated and well. And now we have kept another pan with some oil into it. We'll pour some oil, enough oil for frying, and we'll apply the richard paste on the fish very well in all the slits, into all the pockets, so that all the masalas are properly applied on all the sides. We can even keep it for marination for some time, but right now I'm going to fry it right away. So both the things can be done. It's like quite okay. and one by one we'll place the fish on the pan to fry. Oh wow, they are looking amazing. Oh, look at that. My food is getting ready. So let's cover the pan and fry on each side for 7 minutes. So 7 minutes on each side, and look at the color of the fried fish. It's looking amazing and it's smelling magnificent. So yes, our fish Richard is ready in no time. So you need not go to Goa to have your fish Richard anymore. You can make your Richardo masala at home itself and you can have it at home itself. The aroma is filled in my house and it's really become aromatic. I'm smelling Goa right in my house. So look, on both the sides the fish has fried really well and it's looking completely ready for us to eat. So I'll just dish it out. I'll put it on a serving plate. Be very careful with your fish. It should not break. Decorate it with some wedges of lime as well as some onions, and it really tastes awesome. So squeeze some lime over the fish and have it with some onions. It really tastes amazing, believe me. So here goes. Look at our fish. This is the final look of our fish Richardo, which is a Goan style, Portuguese style recipe. Now you can have it anytime you want. I have shared the recipe. It is your turn to make it at home. Have it yourself in a jiffy and eat it.
Hey,
bye.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.